guys, I'm Veronica and welcome to my channel. Today's video is really unplanned video. I'm so excited just to film it. I'm so excited also guys to tell you about something really cool that happened in my life, and God is so great that He has so many surprises for me, and one of them was that I got my Macbook Pro from my parents yesterday. Like, I was expecting it to get on my birthday. I was just totally expecting a new computer on my birthday, but I wasn't even dreaming about Macbook Pro and the newest model. So I am so excited! And guys, I got it yesterday. Like, my parents phoned me and said that they just bought me a new computer, and I'm so okay. I'm way too excited. And today I just show you guys my new MacBook, and I will just open it and then I will just tell you about some things that really shocked me, like from switching from Windows to iOS, because I'm a total beginner in Apple computers, because I've never had some contact with such devices, and I have an iPhone, but you know, iPhone and MacBook is quite different things. Truly, I was really scared to buy a MacBook because I've heard such many opinions about that it's hard to use, that it's not so comfortable, the Windows is much better than iOS, and so many people and so many opinions. I just decided to be a risk taker. Here I am now sitting with my MacBook Pro, and we'll see how it works. I will tell you what surprised me of MacBook and iOS system in computers. So, okay, I won't talk more, just let's go! Ta-da! MacBook Pro. Okay, so guys, let's go. Ooh, da-da-da-da! Here's some card, I don't know. See it. Okay, so there. I will try not to ruin it, but here we go. Okay guys, just look how beautiful it is. Like, I love how it looks like. Okay, let's open it. Here. I'm just probably seeing it so you will also see. And I'm opening it, and here is something, and that's how it looks like here. And this is beautiful. Like, seriously, here with this ID touch button. Okay, like where you have your fingerprint just to open. I'll just do it later. And here you have this sensor thing where you can just regulate the volume, brightness, control the music, and that's it. Then we've got the charger, some box, and wow, this kind of strange that it has like two parts. Okay, I think it's like this. And yeah, done. That's strange that it has like not the normal USB, just the same from both sides. Oh, and by the way, like as you probably know, MacBooks in US versions don't have this I don't know how to go, this space where you can just put your pen drive. Two things here for charging and two here. So, but I'll also buy an adapter for the pen drive and CD cards probably. Yeah, like this is I think the only disadvantage of it, but again, like it's not the disadvantage like a disadvantage because it you can buy it in, like, without any problem. It's just so beautiful. I love it so much. Like, I literally already want to work here and do all my school stuff here. So I'm so looking forward to write all my essays on this new laptop. Okay, I think that's it. This color is space gray. I think in this model it also has the silver. I don't know how it's called, the silver one. I want to look what's here. Oh, these apples too. They look really nice. Okay, that's it. Oh, there are some also information how to use this heater. Okay, now, so the part what I discovered in MacBook, and I'm really shocked, like totally, and what I didn't have in the previous on Windows. The first one and the most important thing, that you can just connect your phone to the MacBook, and it's really helpful and useful. Like all your data, all your photos, all messages just come on your laptop, and it's really comfortable to use it because you don't have to just distract to take your phone and to answer somebody. Just you have it in the computer and you just quickly reply. So this is the first thing. Oh yeah, and you just connect your phone with the computer by AirDrop. The second thing, like I was so shocked. Like when I wanted to call my dad, I had like 3 options. iPhone, speaker, and MacBook Pro, and I was like, what's the option with the MacBook? So I clicked it, and guess what? I was just like, my call just appeared on the computer, and I was literally talking, and it was not like internet talk, and this was a normal call. I was able to do it by my computer, and I was like so shocked. Like I seriously, mostly of you probably know that this function exists, but I really didn't know. So I was so surprised with it. I would use it probably constantly now. The third difference is that you have the App Store also on the MacBook, so you can install all your apps that you need. Okay, not all, because like App Store doesn't have all the apps that usually your iPhone has in the App Store, and this is kindly uncomfortable because like some app that I really needed I couldn't install. Like I would like to have Quizlet here, but it's not possible to install it. But you can do it via internet, like browser, and install it. Yeah, like there are some apps that you don't have, but it's not a big deal with it because you can just search it firstly in your browser. Then you can, if you really would like to install it, you can just look for them and do it from the internet, like not from the App Store, just normally as you would do in Windows. Also, I was just like struggling with changing the language because I didn't know that to choose the language, you just need to click on this button where with a caps lock, like here, just short click. In Windows it was Alt Shift, I think, and here I thought it would I thought that it would be a Command Shift, but then I was like, no, it doesn't work. So I was like searching and discovered that you need just to click one time on caps lock. And just to turn on caps lock, you need to hold it longer a bit. Also, like the thing I liked here is the background. Like I have this background with an island in the sea, or it's an ocean, I don't know. But the interesting thing about it is that like during the day or night, it just changed colors. So like the sky is blue now because it's morning, and in the evening it will be like pink, really beautiful sunset there, and when it will be night, it will be with stars, and it looks really beautiful. Wow, it looks really beautiful. The next thing is that I like this, like when you open an app here, for example, browser, like when you hide it, like not close but hide, it just makes this nice thing that it like goes like this, and in videos it just disappeared, and that's it. I find it really beautiful and nice. Like I like this. this movement. If you guys like this video, I will just discover with every day more and more this new device. And guys, if you like this video, just please put the fingers up, write in comments. Firstly, write, do you have Macbook or Windows? And guys, I would like to say thank you for this video. Thank you for sharing this happiness with me. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Love you.